Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Randy Saves, and today I will show you another video that is part of my video series From Couponing to the Table. So if you've been watching my videos recently, you know that I got these for free at Publix. However, you can get them really cheap at other stores after I bought a rebate. So if you don't have a Publix, you can still get them for really cheap. So the one that I decided to pick is the strawberry banana whole milk. So what I'm gonna do is yogurt bark. I think that's what it's called. I'm not sure, but it's pretty easy. It's a really good snack, healthy snack. I really like these because these are organic, so you really can't go wrong with that. So the other thing that you will need is dried fruit. So I didn't want it to go and just, you know, purchase items, so I had this apple slice, this dried fruit, so I'm going to go ahead and combine it with this. It's still, so it will be banana, strawberry, apple, yogurt bark, whatever. So what you'll need is 3 of these 4 ounces. So you don't use the whole thing, just 3 of them. And then of course some dried fruit. You can use whatever dry fruit. This recipe actually called for the just the strawberry kind, and then strawberry dry fruit, but you can do whatever you want. And parchment paper and a pan, and then you freeze it for a couple of hours, and that's basically it. So let's go ahead and get started.